Hello, have a good day. How do you usually see a lake or reservoir? It is in a calm environment where you can swim and have good waves. Large lakes or reservoirs are found in many places. This situation is seen in reservoirs, and this environment often changes very slightly. So, are lakes only seen on Earth? Don't other planets and moons in this solar system have large lakes or similar environments? Today's video is what we hope to bring to you. We invite you to stay and learn about it. Today, with this special video, you will learn all these facts and figures without a single word. Our Earth has a very unique environment that is not found on other planets in the universe as far as we can see. Life is born on Earth. Accordingly, one of the main factors for the birth of life on Earth is the presence of liquid water on Earth. So, where else is this water? In fact, liquid water is not found on other planets in the solar system, but two of Jupiter's main moons, Enceladus and Europa, have a layer of ice on their surface. Under this layer of ice, science has discovered that there are large oceans with liquid water. They speculate that these should be salty oceans very similar to the oceans of Earth. In addition, every other planet in the solar system, except Venus, is either ice or frozen water. Science itself mentions that water exists in the form of water. Among these, science speculates that there may be liquid water inside Mars, and they are still conducting research on it. If we turn to our story or topic, scientists first began searching for information about Saturn's birth cycle in the 70s under the Voyager 1 and 2 missions launched in 1977. Data about Saturn's orbit first reached Earth according to this data. Special attention was paid to Saturn's moon Titan, because it revealed information about the thin atmosphere that the moon has. Data received through the Hubble telescope were used in science to continue the study of the support. By studying this data, scientists concluded that Titan has some kind of liquid water. This is why scientists identified Titan as one of the most important moons in this region of the moons. Accordingly, in 2004, scientists launched the Cassini mission to study the moons of Saturn. Cassini can be said to be another milestone in the history of space science. Through this mission, scientists discovered that Titan has large reservoirs of liquid water on its surface. This discovery is special because, apart from Earth, Titan is the only planet or moon with a surface that has liquid water or a similar liquid. If we tell you some information about Titan, Titan is the largest moon in our solar system. Titan is second only to Jupiter's largest moon, the moon of Neptune. Thus, Titan is the largest moon of Saturn. To tell you the truth, Titan is very big. To be precise, Titan is a moon larger than Mercury, but Titan's gravity is very weak. To put it simply, if you weigh 70 kilograms on Earth, if you go and stand on Titan's moon, your weight will be only 10 kilograms. Also, these reservoirs of Titan are made of liquid methane and ethane. This liquid methane and ethane are much less dense than water. So to tell you the truth, if you jump into this Titan GE reservoir, you will be pulled very quickly to the reservoir. You will not be able to swim for even 5 seconds. You may not be able to save your head if the reservoir is not at the bottom. Also, swimming in these reservoirs is not an easy task, because although water is denser than us, this liquid mixture of methane and ethane has a much lower density. We cannot swim in Titan's reservoirs like we swim and float in our reservoirs. Also, there is no way that there are any waves in these seas and lakes. Therefore, they introduce these as very still liquid ecosystems. Similarly, they have mentioned that there is no room for life in these liquid systems. Scientists have not yet been able to accurately study the depths of these Titan's reservoirs or liquid pools, because Titan receives only 1% of the sunlight, but they must be very deep rocks. Scientists say that Titan has very thin layers, so it is easy to do this, but Titan is very dark due to the lack of sunlight. Titan's moon has liquid zones spread over a large area, especially on Earth. Lakes larger than the Caspian Sea can be found in liquid pools. The larger ones are called mareas, or seas, and the smaller ones are called lacus, or lakes. The largest liquid region in Titan is called the Rakan Sea. This region is about 400,000 square kilometers in size, but only about 2% of Titan's total surface is covered by these zones, and 99% of the liquid regions are located in the northern hemisphere of Titan. Reports indicate that only one lake has been found in the southern hemisphere so far. If we tell you about Titan's atmosphere is filled with nitrogen, and it is impossible to walk on Titan due to the pressure created by the atmosphere. Therefore, if an astronaut walks on Titan, he or she will need a pressure suit to withstand the pressure. It is necessary, and an oxygen supply is also a must for those astronauts. In addition, the surface is very cold. The surface temperature of Titan is very cold, as low as -179 degrees Celsius. Therefore, even if Titan can be explored someday, it will not be an easy task to walk on its surface. Now you need to understand why the Titan moon is so important. Just think about it. The view you see can be very beautiful. As of June 2023, science has identified that the planet Saturn has 146 moons. Of these, Titan is located about 759,000 miles from Saturn. There are many more moons close to Titan. The distance between our moons from Earth is 230 miles. It will be about 1,855 years before the moon appears very close to our Earth. Although Titan is about 3 times as far from Saturn as the moon is from Earth, Saturn is 764 times larger than Earth. Just imagine how beautiful Saturn with its ring system would appear on Titan's surface, and how beautiful the other nearby moons would appear. This could be a truly beautiful sight. Scientists say that this could be a very beautiful sight. It is not possible to say how long it will take to see that sight, because sending people to Titan is a very difficult task. So, as usual, we invite you to share this information with us today. If there is anything you know about this, please let us know in the comment section below. I will come back to you today, and have a good day.